If you still create invoices manually for your residents or still send it one by one through email or door-to-door, you don't need to worry anymore. A simple and an easy feature will help you to collect all those invoices. Using Invoice Features in Maridesk will give you some benefits. First, all invoices are digital, so you can reduce the use of paper. All invoices are also well documented, transparent tracking, and automatically sync with your resident account. And last but not least, this feature will help you to reduce any human error when creating and sending an invoice. Let's have a tour how to create an invoice in Maridesk. First, you can go to the invoice page and click Create a single invoice. You will need to complete invoice details, input name of the invitation, select the unit, and choose the due date for this invoice. Then, you can input item details and amount. If you have more than one item, you can click the Add More button below. The last part is you can add additional invoice information in Invoice Footer. This additional information will appear at the bottom of the invoice. After all the details are complete, you can click the Send button. This invoice will automatically be sent to the master resident that is occupied in the assigned unit. Your master resident can check all the invoices through their account in Maridesk. And you can click the Payment Received button after you receive the payment from your master resident. All the payment status will automatically change both in your account and resident account. Join your management with us at management.maridesk.com and click sign up for free. All the features are now free to use. Manage your residential easily with Maridesk.